Hello everybody, so my Tonic craft kit came in, but I wanted to share how these backgrounds turned out real quick. And this one's still a little wet, and you can see I got a little bit of muddy look, but that teal is in pieces in there, and it looks like that's how it's gonna dry, so that's okay. This one, so when they dry, they have more shimmer to them. I was going to say they're shimmerier, but I don't think that's really a word. So they have more shimmer to them. So I'm happy with that. Then we have, I don't want this, because it's still drying, I need it to sit straight. This one was just the one that this one ended up being too smelly, and I don't see much shimmer on that one. So that one, you never know. This one, can you see there's some that's shimmery, some that's not. I think the background ones that I patted kind of dry do not have much shimmer to them. So, but this one I think is going to be a good one. Okay, now onto the craft kit. I know I've seen a video, but I do not remember. Oh, look. Maybe I haven't seen a video. Look. Hearts in Bloom. What could you create? Oh. I like that card a lot. I will have to make one. It wouldn't look exactly like that, but let's look at the dies first. So we get our stickers now, and we have some of the foiling sheets. Excuse me. Oh, the instructions are inside the bag. Let's look. This is going to be the box, because I thought it was a box. And then we have all this stuff. This has sentiments. It looks like it's just going to emboss into this heart. Love it. Wonderful. And then, wow, look at that. Okay, so these hearts look smaller than what that made them look, right? They do, but look at. Let's look at how many hearts we've got in here. Let's see. I thought it was supposed to be a box. Yeah, a bloom box. Hearts in Bloom box. So it does all of that, and it makes this little box. I knew I'd seen it and couldn't remember, and it was the box, but I don't need boxes. But I did like their elements, like that could be a card, right? Back. Then we have this die, and this die, and this die, and this die, and this die. And we have all of these dies. And this is also going to cut out a bunch of different size hearts also. It's just that they're going to be like framed, right? Lots of hearts. And you know what? I've got an Amazon order coming later today, because I thought I don't have nesting hearts, and I wanted some nesting hearts for Valentine's. And so I just went on Amazon and So now I have these nesting hearts. And when that comes, I'll have that nesting heart. And that is supposed to be here today. So, yeah, I might do another reveal or haul and just show what I got on Amazon. Or maybe I'll just show it before I go to use it. So, yeah. Okay, so these can go back in here. And this tells you all the papers of all the names of the colors of paper. But we will see. It's a binder month. So I believe this time, I feel like our goodie bags are not as goody as they used to be. But, you know, it is what it is. Moonstone Glimmer Paste, very pretty. Oh, look at that glue pen. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Nouveau glitters and gilding flakes. Okay. And then we got the foils to go with this. And then our Nouveau drops. This is a pretty pink color. Love Potion. And they are dream drops. And the dream drops are the ones that have all the different colors in them. I love them. The dream drops are my favorite. Okay. And we have the binder and now the paper. But I thought I saw somebody pull up and I thought, oh, the Amazon guy's here if I just waited, but no, it's not. So this is like an ivory, but it's glittery. And you can see like blue and green in there. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. A rose gold. Very pretty. Got a little flaw in there, but that's all right. Okay, this is like an ivory also, or an off-white. And this is kind of vanilla looking. And then we have a shimmer pink. I don't know what color this is. Like, oh, I always want to call it watermelon, but it's not watermelon because it's not that bright red. It is like orangey pinky color. I don't know why I always want to call it watermelon, where that got stuck in my head. And then we have two reds, a lighter red and a darker red in their classic card. So very nice, very pretty. So these are classics. This is a shimmer. This is a smooth. This is a shimmer. And a mirror, a matte mirror, not a shiny mirror. And the glitter. Yeah, they used to make some really super shiny mirror, and I don't recall getting it lately, but you know where you see a ton of colors in it and you can't put it in front of the camera because it just goes nuts and all of that. But anyways, we have that, so we shall work on something with that tomorrow, I believe. And I really kind of want to try this. So do I have instructions for it? No. Are there instructions in here somewhere for it? Maybe. But I think what I'm going to do, I might do this a little different. I might just take the whole sheet and cover it. It's not going to let me do the whole sheet. this roll barely covers that big heart, so we'll do the big heart. I'm assuming, and you know that's always a bad thing to do, that this is going to be just like the pre-glued, and you just put the foil on it and rub it, and it foils. That's what I'm hoping. That's what I'm assuming, so hopefully I'll be right about that. Let's try this. Because we know how things go. So it feels like a protective plastic wrap over it. No, that is not that. Let's try it this way and see if that's right. I hope it's right. Oh, okay. So it's going to go this way, I'm hoping. And I'll put this back on here and rub that might not have been a good idea. That's very faint. Let's see what it looks like backed up to white. That's the color. Very faint. But it worked like a champ. See, it all went off. And it's on there now. Now I could use this, I would think, right? I should be able to use that on something. Because, look at that. Look how that looks. I would definitely try to use that on something, I think. Okay. We'll have to try that on something. I like that better than I like this. All right. I wonder if I should have done it the other way. Let's try it backwards on the small heart and see if that works, because I'm not really impressed with that color. It's so light. So let's try doing this one using this, but let's do it this way instead. So let's put it upside down. I don't think this is right, but we're gonna see what happens. So maybe I did that one wrong. No, it just transferred the design. to the paper. Yeah. Let's see. No, it's down. But it's sticky. Let me just do this. No. That just ruined it. But that's all right. We had to try. I just was not impressed. That's weird how it transferred that design, huh? Onto there. Okay. I'm not to be careful with that. It's kind of sticky. So, definitely did it the right way the first time, but I'm not crazy about that color. All right, everybody. Okay, had to try it. Just in case I was doing it wrong. And it wasn't. Alright, if you like my video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for joining me. And I hope you join me again. Everybody have a blessed night. Bye-bye now.